Meaning of flying machine.
Flying machine.
Flying machine.
Flying machine.
Flying machine. A flying machine is a type of vehicle that is capable of sustained flight. It may be powered by various sources, such as propellers, jets, or even flapping wings. Flying machines have been dreamed of for centuries, with the earliest concepts recorded in ancient mythology. It wasn't until the Wright brothers' successful flight in 1903 that a practical flying machine was invented. Today, flying machines are used for a variety of purposes, including transportation, military operations, scientific research, and recreation. They have revolutionized the way we travel and explore the world around us.